Today you will learn how to move a table in Word freely. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Sometimes when you insert a table in Word, it stays in one position and it can feel difficult to move it exactly where you want. But there are a few easy ways to move your table anywhere in the document. Let's start with the first and easiest method. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the table. Now move your mouse over the table. In the top left corner of the table, you will see a small icon that looks like a 4-arrow handle. This is called the table handle. Click on that handle once. You will see that the entire table becomes selected. That means Word is ready to move the whole table. Now click and hold the table handle and then drag your mouse. As you drag the table, you will see a dotted outline showing where the table will be placed. Move your mouse to the location where you want the table and then release the mouse button. Your table will move to the new position. This method works best when you are moving the table a short distance on the same page or nearby pages. Now let's look at the second method, which is useful when you want to move a table far away in the document. For example, maybe your table is on page 10 and you want to move it to page 20. Instead of dragging it across many pages, you can use cut and paste. First, click the table handle again to select the whole table. Now right-click on the table. From the menu, choose Cut. This will remove the table from its current location. If you want to keep the original table and create a copy, you can choose Copy instead of Cut. Now, scroll to the place where you want it to appear. Click your mouse where you want to insert it, then right-click and choose Paste. Your table will appear in the new location. Now, let me show you another helpful tip for beginners. Sometimes when you move a table, the text around it may not look right. Word allows you to control how text behaves around a table. To adjust this, right-click the table and choose Table Properties. In the Table Properties window, stay on the tab Table. At the bottom, you will see Text Wrapping options. If you choose None, the table will stay separate from the text and behave like a block. If you choose Around, the text will wrap around the table. You can also click Positioning to place the table more precisely and control the distance between the table and the surrounding text. This gives you much more control over your document layout. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next easy tutorial.